Hi guys, so today I have a beauty video for you guys. I did a little tutorial on this eyeshadow look. I wanted to do something to welcome the fall. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for scarves and dark colors and just cold weather. I am over the summer. I don't like summer. I'm ready for snow. I'm ready for just, you know, being the fall spirit. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I've already done my face. My face makeup. I have foundation, highlight, blush, bronze, everything. And then what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyes and eyebrows on camera and lips, and then I'll show you guys what I come up with. Okay, so I've come a little bit closer to the camera, and today I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Gingerbread. I got this one as a gift a while back and I haven't really used it, so for this fall makeup look I'm gonna use it. It has a lot of like burgundy and like the burnt orange and all those colors, so I'm thinking to do something. I had some inspiration. I looked on Pinterest for some like inspiration, but I don't know if I want to do that. I kind of feel like winging it and see what I come up with. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start by blending out color in the crease. Not with this brush. With this brush. It's the Sigma E40. And I'm going to take just like a light color. I'm going to do Sugar Daddy. It's like this pink color, and I'm just gonna put that all over. Then I'm gonna go a little bit darker. I'm gonna take the Looky at My Cookie. These names are so weird, but it's this color here. It's like a little bit of a darker pink than the one that we applied before. And these pink colors might not seem like fall colors, but you won't even, they're just transition colors. You won't even be able to see them at the end. And then now I'm gonna go in with Spice is Nice, which is like this orange color. And I'm gonna put it right there. And I'm bringing it up a little to cover those like pinks or to blend into them. And I'm making like, I'm not gonna do like a V shape at the end. I'm gonna do kind of circle, because I think I want to do like one of those halo looks. So I'm gonna put it in the inner corner as well. Oh, I think I'm gonna do a brown, like a brown smoky eye, but with this like blending out too. Alright, let's see what else we got here. So I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I always go back to this one because it has like every color. And she has like this one is called maybe Jax. It's like a burgundy brown color. So I'm gonna pick that up in a denser blending brush. And I'm gonna start applying it right underneath. I'm gonna apply this one all over the lip because I think the color, like it's blending very well into the other colors. I'm just gonna roll with it and see what we end up with. something came to mind, but now I think I've changed my mind. And this happens every time I do my makeup. Like, I start with something, or like I start saying like, oh, I'm gonna go light or soft, neutral, or just like an everyday look, and I end up with something super elaborate. So I'm just gonna go with whatever the colors tell me. I picked up some of that color from the Jaclyn Hill palette in my fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna, like, cause you see right there, I'm just gonna blend this into the top a little bit. I think I want to make this like an all matte look. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges so it's not so harsh. And then I think it's a little too pink, a little too red. So I think I'm gonna add some just like matte brown to like the lid and then up to there. And I'm gonna do that with this brush because it's like a fluffy brush, but it's flat, so we can like really pack on the color. And then for that, I'm gonna use the ones from the Jaclyn Hill palette, so like these two. I'm gonna add that to the lid. Then I'm gonna blend it with that burgundy color. Ooh, now we're talking. Okay. So I'm gonna do the bottom using basically the same colors. I'm gonna do the darkest ones that I did as a line first, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with like the orange and the burgundy. So let's do that. So I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this one, and then I'm just gonna pick up some of those brown colors and then just add them to the bottom. And then I'm gonna take a small brush like this and just gonna take some of that burgundy color, and I'm just gonna blend this out. So I'll just put it like right on top of the brown and then just start blending it down. And then with that same little brush, I'm just gonna pick up some of that Spices Nice from the Gingerbread palette and then just blend it out a little more. That's it, I'm done. Just kidding. I have to do some highlighting. So I'm gonna take from the Jaclyn Hill the first two shades. Those are the ones that I usually use for highlighting. And then I take like a foundation brush like this. And I put that on the inner corner. So I'm gonna use a shadow from the Morphe 35P palette, and it's just like an ashy cool tone brown. So now I'm gonna put on mascara. I usually don't do lashes, but I'm pretty sure that If you put fake lashes on, it would look a lot more elaborate. I don't usually wear lashes anyway, so I'm just gonna do my regular mascara. So I use the L'Oreal Voluminous and the Essence Big Lash. And then I just layer the other one on top of this one. And I'm gonna do lips, so I'm gonna do 2 options for the lips. So obviously with a look this dark and like extravagant, sometimes you want to do a little nude on the lip to keep it, you know, balanced. Sometimes you want to be a little extra, so I'm gonna do two looks. I'm gonna do a nude with the Runaway pink from e.l.f. is my favorite. I think it's discontinued, so I'm just like scraping the bottom of the lipstick. And then I'm gonna add Apple Strudel by NYX. It's one of the butter glosses. It's my favorite too. I feel like for most people, it'll probably be more wearable this way with the nude lip. But for me, sometimes I like to go a little bit extra, a little bit more va-va-voom. And so I like a dark lip. So now I'm gonna change into a little mix of Copenhagen from NYX and Black Cherry by Revlon. So I really like this look. I like how the burgundy tones complement each other, and I'm a little bit extra, so I like being dramatic at all times. So yeah, let me know which look you guys like best, the dark lip or the nude. I think they're both pretty wearable. I would wear them either or. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Also follow our social media. Our Instagram is listed down below. And I think that's it for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.